everything.
6
6
piece.
15?
よろしいですか？
Yes. 10 pieces?
10
12 pieces. So cheap. You know, I reckon there's enough food reviews of Downton Street. We're just going to take you on a food tour through the Osaka Station. And we're going to have some Matsu Saka beef sandwich. May the eating begin. We want all the beef, and Apollo wants an orange juice.
A little less than I thought it would be.
This is like a snack. So it just looks like a beef sandwich with maybe some mayonnaise, some sauce. It looks breaded. It's pretty fresh feeling, like squishy, you know? Cheers!
Oh,
Worth it?
That's yummy.
Is it yummy?
This is good!
Okay, so we made it to ShinOsaka. We got a snack at the station. Let's look at a map and see where we're going next. I understand nothing. But they do seem to have like an English map, so let's try that. Whoa! I don't know what this is, but I want it. So it looks like there's a red bean paste and then a mystery paste. I want mystery paste. Is it?
I want 2 of each.
2 of each? Let's rock and roll. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at those. Yeah, look, Bubba. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Whoa, are they hot?
Yeah, they're pretty warm. Okay, so do you want red bean or white bean? Do you want Daddy to take a bite first?
Hold on, Mother. Nom, 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 nom.
Mmm.
This is gooey, soft, like a pancake. This
the
is
white
like,
bean or red bean?
ooh. Tastes like beans and bread. It was cheap. I think it was 140 yen. The day we landed in Japan. We're in Japan! We landed in ShinOsaka Station. And there was like a 551 hooray, but it was just cold and the line was enormous. Okay, look at this. If this is not the most delicious steamed bun and gyozas I have ever had in my life, I am going to be very disappointed. But judging by the amount of people, it's gonna be good. Come on. Hello! Everything. 6
piece.
15?
まずはこちらですけどよろしいですか？
Yes. 10 pieces?
10 pieces.
12 pieces.
12
Yes! ありがとうございます. So cheap for that amount of food. Literally look at everything that's going in that bag. I am so excited. So, because we have unlimited JR passes for the next 21 days, we're just gonna hop on a Shinkansen train because it has comfy seats and air conditioning. We're gonna go eat some food. What are you eating, Bubba?
Granola.
I think that's the red bean cake that we were eating earlier. Do you want gyoza?
Yes, people inside.
Yeah, there's people inside, Papa. So we've made it on the Shinkansen. Also, can I just say how amazing the JR Pass has been? We're here for 25 days and we got the 21-day unlimited JR Pass. And to be honest, based off our travel itinerary, it didn't make like financial sense to get on the JR Pass. But I had read some blogs online that said like you can skip the lines, you literally just walk into the train station, you don't have to make a reservation, you can just walk onto any train. And case in point, I literally got on this train to Tokyo just to try some food in the AC because of our JR Pass. And the lines get crazy long, y'all. And then you have to reserve a time. You can't just hop on whatever train is there, which, you know, is kind of overwhelming when you're with a family. You don't have enough hands. Your kids are trying to run around the train station. I can't sit here in front of a kiosk, fighting the kiosk and trying to figure out what stop I'm getting off on, how much the fare needs to be, and keep little hands off of all of the buttons. So I am abundantly grateful for the JR passes. And without further ado, let's eat some food. Okay, so which one's this one? I think these are like the pork shiyumas. They smell porky and they are squishy and soft.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. This is sweet. It's gooey. It's oniony. It's a little oily. I love it. Pot stickers. I love these. I know that I'm gonna love this already. Savory, warm, delicious. Okay, so this train is stopping at Kyoto, and I don't necessarily want to make it all the way to Tokyo today. So I'm gonna hop off this train. I'm gonna hop on the train back to Osaka and keep trying some food. We're going back on a train, Papa. Ooh, we still got some food to try, dude. Just making it back to Kyoto Station makes me realize that ShinOsaka Station was crazy. But it turns out it's because there's a typhoon hitting the entire west side of the country. And so everybody is escaping and going to Tokyo to avoid a typhoon. So we're not going to hop on the Shinkansen back to Osaka. And now we're here in Kyoto Station, where there's a 15th of the amount of people, way more calm. I feel like I can breathe. And we're going to go find a waiting area so I can finish trying the food. Oh, man. Okay, wow. We literally watched those be made fresh. Oh man, Daniel. Wow. How doughy is that? Moment of truth.
Wow.
The dough is kind of sweet and very doughy. I mean, you can tell that it's fresh. And the inside, sweet and savory. I really like it. Yeah, Bubba, Mommy's trying to open this. Oh, there we go. Whoa, look. Do you see that sauce? You ready for this at home? I was probably looking forward to this one the most. Wow. You want to try it, Bubba? It is so soft, not tough at all, covered in this sweet and sour, almost like a sticky teriyaki sauce. Okay, last thing before any one of my other children starts screaming. Shrimp dumplings. I think that might have been my favorite. Wow.
Really?
The texture of those is delightful. Fresh dough, firm on the inside with shrimp, but it almost tastes like a mixture of shrimp. It doesn't taste like whole shrimp. Approved.